Thank you, Ann. And as Fucci's attorneys prepare for trial, they have a number of requests, including changing locations and how he's detained. The News4JAX I-TEAM is looking at similar cases of children charged with murder and how they were treated before trial. I-TEAM investigator Vic Micolucci examines the cases of 4 other juveniles accused of heinous crimes.
But we're asking the court to allow Aiden Fucci his constitutional right to a fair trial.
Aiden Fucci's defense attorneys asked for a change of venue, saying it's too hard to find fair, impartial jury members in St. Johns County. They also requested a switch from solitary confinement while he awaits trial, which they say is cruel and bad for the teen's mental health. The judge denied both motions.
I think the judge is doing what he can, so I do believe his rulings were just. He cannot overstep and order the sheriff to do anything.
Attorney Belkis Plata is a former public defender. She's not involved in this case, but is watching it closely as she too has had juvenile clients charged as adults. Fucci is 15 years old, but he's being tried as an adult, and St. Johns County, where the crime happened, does not have a juvenile facility. So he's been held here at the Duval County Jail in Jacksonville. And for the most part, he's been kept in solitary confinement.
Obviously, if he's in solitary confinement, he's having difficult days. He may decompensate.
So when you say decompensate, you mean that somebody is not able to stand trial, potentially?
Correct, yes. They are having mental health issues. I mean, imagine being in a locked box 23 hours a day. They don't see anyone else. They don't speak to anyone else.
Other cases, including juvenile murder suspects, come to mind. Josh Phillips was 14 when he killed 8-year-old Maddie Clifton. The case made national headlines, and the trial was moved from Jacksonville to Polk County. Jurors took 2 hours to convict him. He's serving a life sentence, which he continues to challenge. Christian Fernandez was 12 when police arrested him for beating his 2-year-old half-brother to death. His attorneys negotiated a plea deal for manslaughter, and he went to prison until he was 19. Charles Southern and Connor Pridgeon, 17 and 16 years old, each pleaded guilty to murdering classmate Makia Coney in what was described as a thrill kill. They are spending the rest of their lives in prison. All 4 of the defendants were kept in solitary confinement in Duval County after their arrests. What is the defense for someone that is so hated in a community, someone who, according to investigators, has a lot of evidence against them?
It's really important to get a jury who's not going to be emotionally invested. This is about what are the facts, not that you feel bad for Tristan or her family. Obviously, this is a tragedy for them, but a juror has to be able to separate that. So you want someone who's going to listen to all the facts and then base them on that.
Plata expects Fucci's attorneys will come forward with more motions before his February trial date. I'm Vic Micolucci, Channel 4, the local station.